it.
Right, so that's the last treble of the first row, which was into the chain. So I've gone into that last chain stitch there. So I'm going to ignore chain 1, chain 2 that we did right at the beginning of the other chain and of the loop, sorry. And then I'm going to yarn over, and I'm not going to yarn over, scratch that. I'm going to put my hook under the V of the first treble stitch. So not the 2 chain, 1, 2, but the V that you can see when you tip it on the edge. Put my hook under there, yarn over and pull it through, and then pull that loop through that loop, which means we've slip stitched the row together now. So that first row is complete. And then we're going to chain 2 and turn the work. And then we're not working into that very first hole, because that is actually the slip stitch that we used to join the rows together. So what we actually want to look for is this big obvious next hole there that's like a V on its side. We're going to yarn over, go under that V, but also make sure we've got 2 strands above the hook. Yarn over, pull through, and yarn over, pull through 3, and that starts this next row. So we can go into every stitch in the round until we come back to the chain 2, which you can refer to the beginning of this video again. So when you get into here and you've worked into that stitch, which is just before the chain 2, you can look at the video and it'll remind you to slip stitch into there and turn. It's done.